Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Wednesday. The S&P 500 fell 1.6%. The Dow closed down 1.8%. The Nasdaq 100 snapped an 8-day winning streak today, falling 1.3%. And the Russell 2000 dropped 1.6%. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, all 11 S&P 500 sectors ended lower, with consumer staples, utilities, and industrials down by the most. The 1.1% drop in December retail sales at the beginning of the day set the tone. The three sectors that dropped by the least were communication services, tech, and consumer discretionary. Now looking at some stocks on the move, JBHT shares ended 5% higher after reporting earnings results, despite figures for the fourth quarter falling short as a weakening economy hit the trucking business. But a positive came in the form of the freight demand outlook. JBHT expects that part of the business to regain traction in the coming months as supply chain strain fades and companies resume their more normalized ordering cycles. Moderna closed 3% higher after news that its new RSV vaccine using mRNA technology showed an efficacy rate of 83.7% in adults 60 years and older. And Moderna CEO Stefan Bancel says the company is committed to developing a portfolio of respiratory mRNA vaccines. The company plans to submit the vaccine for the FDA for regulatory approval during the first half of this year. Wall Street expects it to be approved next year. United Airlines closed 4.5% lower despite earnings that beat expectations. Even during a quarter with erratic weather and more constrained spending from consumers, United Airlines swung to a profit. The company expects revenue to grow around 50% in the quarter. But shares likely fell in sympathy with other consumer stocks following the decline in December retail sales. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. Pre-market, the December housing starts and permits will be released, as well as the January Philly Fed Manufacturing Index and weekly jobless claims. On the earnings front, Fastenal and Procter & Gamble are out pre-market, while post-market, investors will be watching Netflix. The stock has fallen 36% over the last year, but has doubled from its low it hit in May. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TDAmeritradeNetwork.com.